So basically, you just see you can make a sanding block out of anything. You just have to make sure that when your numbers add up, you take all of these numbers here, this distance, that distance, that distance, that distance, all the way around, and make sure they add up to this length. Okay, and if you got an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and it's torn in half, this all needs to add up to 8.5. So that way when you put it all together, it will wrap around the block just fine. Okay, so see, I made it my creases there so that it folds around a bit better. Yeah, so there's that. And then I got my one fold here. That like that. Okay. This. And then like so. Okay. There. Wraps around. Put it in like that. Okay. You just work it in that slot there. Okay. Then, once that slot, when the sandpaper's in the slot, I can take a drywall screw and insert it there so that the sandpaper stays in place. Okay, so here I am.